been a year of rough weather. I mean, nationally,
yeah.
you know.
You name it, right?
Kind of lucked out around here, though, I have to admit.
Yeah.
And even though it's kind of cloudy out there, it could be a whole lot worse for Labor Day, and we have had a whole lot worse in the past. As we take you up to Youngstown, overlooking the Niagara River at noontime today, lots of clouds showing up out there. Actually, up across the river, it looks like maybe some of the lower clouds are breaking up a little bit, but I wouldn't really figure on too much sunshine this afternoon. Taking it down to Lakewood, Route 394 in Chautauqua County, you can see a wet road surface down there. There have been a few light rain showers across this area just to the west of Jamestown, and there's going to be a little bit more of that on the way, especially if you live to the south and east of Buffalo. And we've been talking about this all morning long, even since wake up this morning, that areas to the south and east of the city would tend to be wetter with occasional rain showers going on. Areas north and west of the city drier, and that includes much of the Buffalo metro. Maybe a few of these showers might get up to maybe Hamburg or East Aurora this afternoon, but for the most part, even much of the metropolitan area should be on the dry side, and up into Niagara and Orleans counties too. So those are the places to be if you want to escape the raindrops. If you're hitting the waterways this afternoon, it should be primarily dry along the near shores. 76 the water temperature at Buffalo, northerly breeze 5 to 15. Actually, I think that's down now to 74. Wave heights 1 to 3 feet. The northwest wind at 15 to 20 knots along the south shore of Lake Ontario is going to be kicking up wave heights to 3 to 4 feet this afternoon. Well, here's our next weather maker of concern. It's post-tropical depression Lee. No longer any tropical characteristics with the storm system, but as we get into Tuesday, it's edging its way up into Tennessee, making a slow path toward the north and northeast. And it looks like we will probably see some of the remnants of this storm around here as we get into Wednesday. That rain will probably be a little bit more likely, especially to the south and east of Buffalo again. But we could even get some into the Niagara frontier. As we get into tonight, the rain showers wind down south and east of the city, mostly partly cloudy skies for the overnight period. Maybe some early clouds on Tuesday, but these clouds should break up, revealing some sun, at least a partly sunny day across the region. Pretty decent day shaping up. And then as we work our way toward Wednesday, some of the moisture from what was tropical storm Lee starts to work northward into our region. We start to see that rain advancing in from the south. A little bit of a question as to how far north this is going to get, but definitely areas south and east of the city figure on some more rain as we get into the midweek period. High temp forecast 64 from the Falls, 65 at Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, Cheektowaga, Lancaster, and Alden off to the east, about 65 at Batavia. Lower 60s down here to the south at Wellsville, Olean back to the west of Jamestown, and at Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, East Aurora, about 65 for a high this afternoon. Big change from Saturday, that's for sure. Right now, 64 at Buffalo, down by the lake at Dunkirk, at 59 down here at Wellsville and Bradford in the Falls, checking in at 62. The sunset time that's coming up at 7:41 tonight. Here's your forecast. Considerable clouds, northern and western areas this afternoon. Occasional rain showers south and east, a high temp 62 to 66. For the overnight, a few showers along the PA line, otherwise mostly partly cloudy, 49 to 52. Good sleeping weather back. For tomorrow, becoming partly sunny, quite cool, high 60 in the hills, 67 in the city. And on Wednesday, cloudy with scattered to occasional showers, 65 to 70. We finally start to dry up toward week's end, but this might be a case of good timing, maybe just in time for next weekend. Things start to straighten out.
All right, it is a little chilly out there, though.
Certainly is. Yeah, a little touch of fall going on there.
All right, it's coming. Thanks, Mike.